Let's make a model of a watershed. So what is a watershed? A watershed is an area of land that feeds all the water running under it and draining off of it into one body of water. The watershed that we live in is called the Chesapeake Bay Watershed. What will we need to make our watershed? A spray bottle, different size cups and plates inside of a tray, aluminum foil, and cocoa powder to represent dirt and pollution. Step 1 is to cover the tray with aluminum foil. Make sure to cover all of the cups and plates so that it's nice and bumpy. The taller cups represent mountains and hills. The low parts of the tray represents our lakes, bays, and oceans. Step 2 is to dust your entire watershed with cocoa powder. Remember, the cocoa powder represents dirt and sediment. Then we'll use our spray bottle to represent the rain. Make sure to spray everywhere all over the watershed. Now pause the video and make a prediction. What will happen as I add water to our watershed system? Watch carefully. Where is the water going? Are there places where the water is gathering or collecting? What sort of places do you think these spots represent? Now remember that the cocoa powder represented our dirt and sediment. It can also represent pollution, which means the bad things that can get into the water because of both natural and human activities. What do you think happens with pollution at the top of a mountain or a hill? Where does it go? The lower portions of our watershed represent lakes, bays, and oceans. What force brings the water down the hills and mountains? The force is called gravity. Now you've seen how to make a model of a watershed. Remember, there are watersheds all over the world. Now you can make one in your house too.